everyone, and welcome to Heidi's home. Today is the day before I go to Aldi to do my big grocery shopping, and as you know, we just had a big Christmas party at my house. I had a lot of leftovers and things that we ate all that we could have, and I had a lot of big bowls, serving platters, and more to wash up. So the very first thing that I tackled today is washing the dishes. So now I am making some pizza dough, and you all have seen me make this pizza dough a million times, but this time I'm going to try to do like little balls stuffed with mozzarella cheese, which is going to be string cheese, and make like a Christmas tree shape. But first I need to get my dough to rise, and I need to get started on my Mexican cabbage casserole. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This looks like a lot, but cabbage cooks down. And whenever you see me pull this out, when it is done and it's ready to be, layered with cheese, you're going to see how much the cabbage reduces down. Right now, you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, that's a whole lot in that pan, but I promise you it will work out. I have made this a million times. Now my bread dough has doubled in size, and I am opening all of those little string cheese, and I'm going to cut it so they are in little tiny pieces so that I can roll the dough around it in a ball. And hopefully this is going to work out. I have done this years ago, but even if it doesn't come out in a perfect Christmas tree shape, it's going to taste wonderful. Now I am finally getting to the banana pudding that you all talked about in the comment section so much yesterday. I had a lot of fun reading the comments, and yes, there was a banana pudding in my future, and it happened on this day. And he gave me all banana cream pudding, and guess what? I don't like banana cream pudding, so I made up his banana pudding for him, and I took it to his house, and he told me it was the best ever. I've got bananas and wafers left over, and I am going to get some vanilla pudding tomorrow at the grocery store. Now, as you can see, the cabbage cooked way down, and all I'm going to do here is cover it with cheese. I'm using a Fiesta blend cheese, and then I'm going to pop it back into the oven till it's nice and bubbly and melted. Now here is my little Christmas tree. And I may have let it rise a little too big, but that's okay. I am brushing it with some butter, garlic, parsley, and rosemary. And it's going to smell good, and it's going to taste good. And when I take it out of the oven, I brush it again. I put it in there, back again, and brush it again. And it has great flavor. And boy, did my house smell good. Here is my Mexican cabbage casserole, and you're going to see my Christmas tree, and it was all delicious. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed and was inspired being in the kitchen with me. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be seeing you again soon.